everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to switch from demo to live trading account on capital.com. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open capital.com application. You can see over here capital.com application has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. You can see over here right now I'm logged into my demo account. So if you want to switch from the demo to live trading, what you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. At first, you'll be able to find the option for switch to real money. What you have to do is simply tap on it. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here you'll be switched to the real money. That means now you'll be able to do the live trading. So that is how you switch from demo to live trading account on capital.com. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.